Home Show.
Bob from Fulshire has a question about broken glass.
Well, his yard guys decided to do a little home improvement work on his house, and this happened. He got that broken window.
It happens.
The exterior door, right. Well, here's the deal. Bob says that a glass company said that because the glass was installed during manufacturing, that there's no way to replace the glass without cutting the wood trim out and around the door frame. I considered replacing the door, but it matches 3 others, and I can't find a match. Suggestions, Tom? Certainly somebody anticipated broken glass when they made the store. What say you?
I'm not sure if it can be replaced or not. I don't have enough information. That picture is from the inside. Usually the glass is replaced from the outside. I will say this. I'm going to believe what he wrote. If it was really a high-quality, good glass company, and they would replace it if they could. Maybe they can't. If you want a second opinion, and I would tell you to do this, and this time if you take pictures and send it to them, do it from the outside and the inside and make it clear, and try to get a wide shot and a close-up of the corners too, so they can get a good representation of what's going on there. I would call Glass Doctor. I would say, hey, this was told to me. Can I send you some pictures? Can I get a second opinion from you before you drive all the way out here and see what can happen? If they just say they can also, then you got 2 major glass companies or good quality glass companies saying they can't help you. And then unfortunately, it might mean buying 3 new doors if you want them all to match exactly the same, or call the manufacturer if there's some kind of plate on the door, if it's a Stanley door or it has a name brand, and find out if you can buy a replacement door for that and have it put there. But it's pretty rare that the glass can't be replaced. But I have heard some people say they've tried to get glass replaced in doors, and it's very difficult. They're not having any success with it. So do that. Call Glass Doctor. Ask them, tell them what you know. See if they just want to come out and look at it. Maybe they will. Or maybe they'll want to say, hey, send us a picture. If you do, make sure you take pictures from the outside and the inside, and a long shot and a close-up, so that's a good idea of what's going on there, and then see what they have to say and go from that direction.
We added a door to the back of our house, and so it's kind of a different situation than Bob's up against. But we have some nice doors on the house, and we added one, and it's like, well, we're never going to match it. So we did exactly what he said. We went out and bought 2. And now the doors match in that room. And we went to Door Clearance Center, and we're really surprised at how affordable those doors were. And they look great. And so that might be another option. Head up to the Door Clearance Center.
Oh, no, if you have to go that route and buy a Door Clearance Center. Is that why you texted me that day saying you were waiting in line? Mm-hmm. You did. You texted me one day. I'm Door Clearance Center. It was right after my show. You said, hey, I'm waiting in line. There's a whole bunch of people. We're buying a door. Now I know what door it was.
Why else would I be at the Door Clearance Center? I'm curious.
I have no idea. I know you're remodeling your bathroom. Maybe you're getting a big door for your bathroom. I had no idea.
Truth be known, gentlemen, I'm going to give you a little tip. When you go to that store, get what you want and get the hell out of there. Because we wound up wandering the aisles, as I have want to do when I go places, and we came across this cute little glass door with this little basket of food etched on this glass, and it said pantry.
Oh, I knew you were going there.
Guess what we have in our kitchen now? And so...
Charlie, I don't know how many times I used to build custom homes for people, and they'd go door buying, and they would pick this door exactly like you said, and for some reason they were just in love with the word pantry on their door, and I always thought to myself, why would anybody want a door that says pantry on it? I'm sorry. And now when you were saying that, I was thinking that. I'm sorry, this probably isn't going across well, but I find it fascinating.
Well, I said to Sandy, I said, I know I'm over 60, but, I haven't begun to lose my facilities. I know where the food is.
What room is this?
I don't need a sign telling me where the food is. Do I look like I miss a lot of meals? All right.
I know what I'm getting you. I'm getting you a label maker. We're going to label all the doors.
All
bedroom,
the doors.
bathroom.
See, Tom's even helping me with my problems like he'll help him with yours. Go ahead and click on that blue Ask Tom button. Send us your question. You can send us it in writing. You can send us videos. You can send us pictures. Hey, there's Tom. And we'd be happy to, happy to help you out, just like we did here. Because we post a new video every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, of course, our Facebook page.